striper. Cute thing,
Yeah,
though.
hey, it's a fish.
Yeah, I love their fins. They're
Yeah, I do too.
pretty fish. All right, buddy. Be in a spinnerbait box. Gee, look at that. Hear him talking?
Yeah.
Little shit. Yeah, I thought I had a nice bass.
What do you think about that?
It's not a bad color. It's one of my favorite colors. Yeah, that's that's a baby. Go back and tell your big brothers and sisters.
Yeah. Grow up.
I didn't no more than get that bait in the water, and he's on top of it. I think I made about a turn on my reel there, maybe. Yeah, it's shallow. I think we get out in the channel there a little bit. I'm gonna back off and get out here and we'll fish the edge of that channel.
I don't even know where it's at.
Right here. This is the break line.
But that'd always be a good first fish before the yeah. I know it goes overboard that and it comes back to the left.
I ain't kidding. It's just a pleasure to fish with. You can rip that bait out there as far as you want to rip it. And that's on a 14-pound test and a 5.5-foot rod. It is, isn't it? It's nice.
It's beautiful.
Couldn't ask for any better. Only thing we could ask for is more fish. look at this, boys. It's a hog. Got a hog here. Look at that.
Whoa.
Woo!
Now that's a damn, that's a so bad.
Look at
Ain't
that.
that beautiful. What is it, 3 pounds?
Gosh, damn.
Wow.
Woo!
That's worth the trip right there.
You believe that?
Beautiful.
Mwah. Reach behind you in that hatch, and there's a scale right there.
Right here?
Look at that beautiful fish.
Wow.
Boy, she's a pretty girl.
Yeah, beautiful.
Oh, the batteries are dead.
Oh, shit.
I can believe
God dang it.
Ah. We can't weigh her.
Well, what would you guess her at?
3.5, easy.
That's a oh, hell.
Might be 4.
I believe she's going to go for maybe even a little better than that.
Yeah, she's a big bass.
She's heavy. Beautiful. Beautiful. God,
God, I love to catch them like that.
beautiful.
Isn't that beautiful fish?
Oh, yeah, they are.
All right,
And
sweetheart.
go home and catch it again another day.
Get your ass out of here.
Got on that tail and walking.
I knew there should have been a fish laying on that, and that's what I was going after.
Yeah. God damn.
I knew when she hit it, is this a good
Oh,
fish?
yeah.
She's- Boy, that just made it worth it.
Oh, yeah, it did. Oh, I'm glad to see it.
Just caught a 4-pounder on a spinnerbait on GoPro. Yeah, baby. Getting to catch that fish, but release her back.
Yep.
Catch her another day.
Yes, sir. If, like I said, if you want some fish to eat, catch some crappie.
Mm-hmm.
They eat good, you know?
Yeah.
And leave the nice bass or shit like that in here, you know? I don't even want to eat a 1.5 pound or 2 pound bass.
Right.
I like that. That's perfect.
That's neat. Nice little dock down here.
I tell you what I'd like to have when we go across the river. Can you guess?
The milkshake?
Strawberry milkshake.
We'll have to do that.
God, was that a car?
That's a big one too.
Hell yeah.
See, look at them. You missed it. About 6 of them back here jumping.
Oh, what?
See them?
What the hell?
Hell, let's-
What the hell they're doing that for?
It's the vibration of the motor. You can get just the right amount of throttle set, and it drives them crazy. They, when they get scared, they jump. They're an invasive
We've seen all
evasive
kinds of damn
species. Yeah. That's those damn Asian carp. And they're evasive. They're taking over the waters.
Yeah.
They get huge. As you can tell, those were big. Oh my
God, dang. Choke my.
I was afraid he's gonna hit you. along plenty fast enough for me. Alright. Get this puppy loaded up, head back to the house.
Need to do anything?
No, sir. I got you from here. I'll get a run up on the ramp there. Or ramp. Trailer.
Mighty close. Mighty close.
Another successful fishing trip in the books. Today was great. Dad and I caught probably 4 different species of fish. Really, we were only targeting largemouth, but it's nice. Really good to get Dad out on the water. This used to be his boat. I'll do another video on more of the boat and the history of the boat. But yeah, he caught the first largemouth. I caught the biggest one, 4 pounds, a little more. You'll see it in the video, already saw it in the video. So until next time, fellas and ladies, peace out.